Good day everyone, this is teacher Brian and today we will be discussing all about adding integers with like signs and with unlike signs. But before that, let's try to review what do we mean by integers. Integers are composed of positive and negative counting numbers as well as zero. When we say counting numbers, these are the numbers we use to count. Example, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on and so forth. Now, when we say positive numbers, these are the numbers greater than 0. And when we say negative numbers, these are the numbers that are less than 0. 0 is also included as an integer. Now, let's try to have the examples here and let's start with like signs. When we say like signs, the signs of the numbers are the same. So the rule for that is just simply add the numbers and copy the sign. Now let's try to check the first example. Positive 25 plus positive 4. If you try to observe, the numbers here, 25 and 4, they have the same sign, and that is positive. Since the signs are the same, meaning to say we can directly add the numbers. 25 plus 4, that gives us 29. And after that, copy the sign, and that is positive. So positive 25 plus positive 4, the answer is positive 29. Okay, now let's try to have our second example. Negative 25 plus negative 4. If you try to observe, the signs are the same. They are all negative. So therefore, we can directly add the numbers. 25 plus 4, and that is 29. And after that one, copy the sign, which is negative. So we can say negative 25 plus negative 4, the answer is negative 29. That's good. Now let's try to have this one here. Let's try to solve problems with unlike signs. If you try to check the first example, positive 25 plus negative 4, if you try to observe, 25 is positive while 4 is negative. Therefore, the signs are unlike or the signs are not the same. If that will be the case, we need to follow the rule, subtract the numbers, then copy the sign of the greater number. Now let's try to have this one. Positive 25 plus negative 4. Since the signs are not the same, we will subtract the numbers. 25 minus 4, that gives us 21. And after that one, try to check the numbers between 25 and 4, which is greater. Of course, 25, that's good. So therefore, since 25 is greater than 4, we need to copy the sign of 25, and that is positive. So therefore, positive 25 plus negative 4, the answer is positive 21. Very good. Now let's have the second example. Okay, let's try to solve this one. Negative 25 plus positive 4. Are the signs the same? No, they are not the same because 25 is negative while 4 is positive. Wow, that's good. Nice observation. Now let's try to check. Since the signs are not the same, of course, we need to follow this rule here. So we have to subtract the numbers. 25 minus 4, that gives us 21. Then right after that one, try to compare first the numbers. Between 25 and 4, which is greater? Yes, 25. That's great. What is the sign of 25? Yes, correct. Negative. Since 25 is greater and the sign is negative, we need to copy the sign of 25 in our answer. And the answer will be negative 21. So negative 25 plus positive 4, the answer is negative 21. That's great. Now what if we will have our last example? Negative 18 plus 5. What do you think is the answer? Are the signs the same? No, the signs are not the same. Sir Bry, in 5 here, there is no sign whether it's negative or positive. Now take note, if there is no sign in the number, only the number, it denotes that the sign is positive. So therefore, 5 here is positive, while 18 here is negative. So therefore, the signs are not the same. Since the signs are not the same, meaning to say we need to subtract. 18 minus 5, that gives us 13. And after that one, try to compare the numbers. 18 and 5, which is greater? Of course, 18. And what is the sign of 18? Good, negative. So the answer would be negative 13. Negative 18 plus 5, the answer is negative 13. So that's it. Very simple, right? So I hope all the students out there, you will be able to master the concept about adding integers with like or unlike signs. So thank you for listening, everyone, and have a nice day.